Bruce Meyers is my name. That name, Meyers Manx, was given to me when I was married to Shirley. And one day she went up to work and said we were going to name that car. I think out of the 33 people, there was 4 of them that came up with the word Manx. And then Elaine Bond said, she's just always smoking, and it should be Meyers Manx. I said, no, Elaine, I'm a little too shy for that. She says, no, it'll be good for you someday. That was 55 years ago. Well, first of all, I was building fiberglass sailboats, the molds, the plugs, all these things. So I learned the technique. And when I applied it to the dune buggy, it was a phenomenal success. Suddenly everybody wanted this happy little car. It's just a kind of a visualization of friendship and love. Everybody on the street starts beeping their horn, giving the thumbs up and the happy waves and smiles and yells and all this stuff that you've created a little parade. And you didn't do anything, you just had a dune buggy. But if you put a few of them together, it always does that. A little short car with great big wheels is cute. That's automatically, it says fun. It has a sense of adventure. See, the car, it expresses friendliness, openness, altogether something that we all need in life. So what is the dune buggy? I guess it's just a huge love affair. Obviously, I started something a long time ago, and when I see a huge company like Volkswagen taking this kind of an interest, they've got themselves something that's really powerful. The surfaces of it are very, very beautiful, artistic, obviously driven, and it's, well, beautifully styled. That car will bring so much and so many opportunities for Volkswagen to have a connection with the world of the dune buggy. It's a place of happiness and fun, community, love. It's a huge attachment. And addressing it with that, well, they're onto a good thing.